Welcome to our video tutorial on the cough report of CoughPro. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the cough report feature that will help you gain deeper insights into your cough patterns. Let's dive in. To access the cough report, simply navigate to the main screen of the app and click on the Explore Your Data button. From there, select the cough report widget located at the bottom of the screen. The cough report widget provides you with 4 key measures of your cough patterns. The cough clock visually represents the hours of the day when you experience the highest frequency of coughing. The longest and darkest pie slice indicates your peak coughing period, while shorter and lighter slices represent lower cough rates during other hours. This visualization helps you identify the times when you're most prone to coughing. Additionally, you can view your daily cough rate over the past 7 days, allowing you to track any changes in your cough frequency. The report also compares your cough frequency per week compared to previous weeks and per month compared to previous months, giving you valuable insights into the progression of your cough patterns. You also have the option to download, print, or share the report with others. This can be helpful if you want to share cough data with other people who may be interested in your respiratory health. Simply select the Download PDF option to generate a downloadable and shareable version of the report. Congratulations! You've now gained a comprehensive understanding of the cough report feature in CoughPro. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our dedicated support team.